In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your OBS output folder failed, right? If you're just facing this error, you can just easily solve this. So you have to just go to the settings. You can see this is my OBS settings here. If I just click here, the new window will open on the left side. I will see a lot of options. Go to the output section. Make sure your output mode is simple, not in advanced, right? So this is output. Right now I can't change it because I'm just recording with the OBS, of course. Now just make sure that whatever the steps I'm showing you, just follow it correctly. Just leave this streaming part, okay? Now here, this is a recording part, right? So this is in recording, it's very important. In the video encoder, you have to make sure you select H.264, right? This is very important. And recording the format, it should be MPEG4. In short, it should be MP4. You can just copy the exact steps or exact option which I have pasted. Audio encoder, it should be ACC3. These are the two important options which you have to select it, right? If you want to change the bitrate, you can just change depending upon, for example, 8000 to 12000. It will always suggest OBS that what bitrate you should keep. Now once you have copied this options which I've selected, make sure you just click on apply and click on OK, and then you will be able to easily record your videos on your OBS. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.